Hello, this is Kamran. Welcome to this comprehensive course designed for QA automation engineers, university students, and individuals who want to start a career in programming. In the previous video, we talked about concatenation. In this session, we will discuss formatting output in Python and practice it. Formatting output. Formatting output in Python can be done using various methods, but one common approach is to use print function along with the formatting options. Here are a few methods for formatting output in Python. You can use formatted string literals by using only f, or you can use string str.format method, or you can use older method as we use in other programming languages with percentage. That's it. I need to write heading, formatting, and Python. Let's take two variables like name is equals to Kamran, age is equals to 30. Now I want to print this. So I use print. My name is Kamran. My name is my variable, and my age is age. If I run this code, it will not understand this variable. To understand, so what should I do? I should write here f. Now when I run the code, it will start understanding the variable, which is name Kamran and age is 30. If I use capital F, it will work fine like this. So the second approach is print. My name is and my age is. Now after the string, press dot and use format. In the format, you can give the variable name, and age. Now it will work fine. Look. Now, if I change the variable places, like if I write age first, then name, what it would do, it would print name, age first, and then name. Like this. So to cater this problem, this is the 0 and this is the 1. So if I write here 1, it will understand this variable, and if I write 0, it will understand this variable. So let me run the code. Now it's fine. We have one more approach. If I write print and said my name is %s and my age is %s. For this, I need to write percentage here, then open the bracket like this, and the bracket I need to give the variable name, and age. So it will work same like this. So in this way, you can format your output. See you in next video. In our next video, we will talk about how to take input from user in Python. Thank you.